In this video, we'll see how to make healthy yet delicious momo with cover of Sooji or Rava and very tasty cabbage stuffing inside. Let's get started. First step is to grate the cabbage. So here I've got approximately 400 gram cabbage. You can grate, you can finely chop using a chopper, a knife, or you can also coarsely grind this in your mixer grinder. And these bigger pieces I'm going to chop them with knife. Now heat a kadhai or pan and add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. I'm using extra light olive oil which is healthier. In goes 1.5 teaspoon garlic and green chilli paste, 1 teaspoon grated ginger. You can make a paste of all these three things together, that is also fine. After sauteing for 10 to 15 seconds, add 1 big sized roughly chopped onion and now saute this just for 5 to 6 seconds or around 10 seconds, not more than that, and then add the grated cabbage. Add 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, kali mirch, some salt as per taste. Keep the flame between low to medium, and after giving it a mix you need to cover it and let it cook really well. Unlike in my previous momo videos where I have asked to not overcook the stuffing, I am cooking the stuffing really well. This is another variant and it tastes better than that. Trust me, you can give this a try. Here I've got 1 cup semolina or Sooji or Rava, so I'm using the fine or barik Sooji. If you've got bigger one, the coarser one, that's also fine. You need to grind it using a mixer grinder, just grind it slightly. You wouldn't get a very fine powder after that, that's okay. Just grind it a little, then add some salt. Give it a mix and then gradually add water and make a soft dough. Make sure that you add a little more water because as you rest the dough, it would absorb more water and would become stiff. And then after that, apply some oil and cover it and let it rest. Here I've got my idli steamer. So if you've got idli steamer of aluminum or steel or any kind of steamer, you can use that to steam your momos, or simply a patila or a utensil filled with water and a stand with a chalni also works. After 10 to 15 minutes, you need to again knead your dough for around 15 to 20 seconds. At this stage, if you feel that the dough is stiff, just wet your hands with some water and knead the dough. Then take a small portion and roll like a thin chapati or roti. Place some stuffing, and after this you can give whatever shape you are comfortable with or you like to your momo. I'm making all the momo and I'm covering them with a cotton cloth while I'm making the other ones. This would make sure that the Sooji or the momo cover does not dry out. So the quantity you see on screen is what I made from all the stuffing and the dough. You can count how many momo are there on the screen. Instead of using idli steamer, I'm using a rice cooker. So I've got a rice cooker which has a steamer setup. So I'm applying some oil, but if you're using your regular steamer, idli steamer or your patila setup, apply some oil and then place your momo. Keep some distance or space between the momo. Whether you use your rice cooker or your regular idli steamer or your steamer setup on gas stove, you need to steam these at medium flame for 15 minutes. And in rice cooker, whatever is the cook mode, you need to steam these for 15 minutes. Our super delicious, moist and healthy Sooji veg momos are ready. This is healthy as well as tasty. After giving this a try, you would not miss your Maida momo. And yes, ground Sooji or semolina is not Maida. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.